Saya terima nikah Siti Fathia Maharani, maharnya 20 mayem emas tunai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Selamat kepada Ananda Muhammad Rizky dan juga Siti Fathia Maharani. Semoga menjadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawadah, warohmah.
Now look around, isn't this a new day? Make a move, doing things a new way. A new way.
Adik Rizky, selamat ya atas pernikahannya. Semoga jadi keluarga yang sakinah, mawaddah, warohmah.
These are our plans. We're gonna let them shine. This is our plan.
Saya telah melaksanakan akad nikah putra saya yang bernama Muhammad Rizky dengan calon menantu saya yang bernama Siti Fathia.
Look ahead, we can see forever. You and me doing it together.
Anak saya Siti Fathia Maharani dan kepada anak kami Muhammad Rizky, rajin salat 5 waktu berjamaah di masjid.
We've come so far, yeah, we've come so far, 'cause this is our world, and this is our time, and these are our plans, we're gonna let them shine, this is our place, in the human race, and we won't stop dreaming, no we won't stop dreaming, standing at the crossroads, feeling how the wind blows, we can soar above the clouds, every moment is a heartbeat, and every breath feeling so sweet, and who can say what happens now?